With AI tools like Cursor and Lovable, we are often asked this question: should we build this tech tool in-house, or should we still buy it from vendors? Here are a few factors to consider before you make any choice. The cost of buying versus time spent in building. Yes, it feels that anyone can develop an app using these tools, but the fact is that you can only build prototypes if you're not a software engineer. And most of the times, even these prototypes are difficult to design because the AI tool that you're using hallucinates whenever you prompt it to make changes. It takes significant amount of time investment in conceptualizing and iterating with these apps. So think of the number of hours you are ready to spend in building any of such tools in-house. I can guarantee you that it will take at least 3 to 5 times more hours when you actually start building it. Ask yourself, do you have the right skill sets? Just because you can build an MVP or a demo app doesn't give you the skills to actually write the code, design the database and optimize it for performance, and debug and deploy the code. Especially if you have never developed and deployed any software code in the past. Even if we forget the coding part for a moment, just conceptualizing the features of a product, how will the user experience be like, and converting into a prompt in itself is a skill. Another important thing to remember is that through these vibe coding tools, you're essentially designing demo apps or MVPs which are non-scalable. To go ahead and use them at scale, you need to connect them to multiple other softwares and have the software coding skills in you. Who will fix this software when it crashes? Whose responsibility is it when the user is unable to log in? Who has the responsibility to ensure that the user data is safe? Is your internal IT team capable enough? Do they have the bandwidth to sustain this software forever? See, you sign SLAs with a vendor because you're then transferring all these risks to that party. Unfortunately, when you build tools in-house, all these risks resides with you. How will you make the payments? There is a cost of using ChatGPT, Cursor, Lovable, Supabase, AWS, and everything else that is needed to launch a software. Whose corporate credit card are you going to use to pay for these services? How will you get those corporate credit card payments reimbursed? Who will be responsible for renewals? These vibe coding companies won't send you invoices like a vendor and wait for months for the payment. They will stop their services whenever you fail to pay. The most important question is this your main job? Is running this software a part of your key responsibility in the job description? Or is this a one-time project? For most people, it's just a side project, and that's true even for the internal IT teams. Your priorities will change, your IT resources, headcounts will change, and then comes the difficult question, where will you find the resources internally to sustain this software? So, depending on the answers to these list of factors and as per your context, you can decide whether you want to go for buy or to build in-house. For more such insights, visit Nudgeable AI.